into the Hedgehog Hollow. We are so excited because we have our November box for you, and it's Laura's box.
And I'm so honored and excited to be in the box. Not really in the box, but...
Yeah, she's not really going to come in the box.
But there's my personality.
Yes.
Completely wrapped in this box.
Yes.
And it's exciting.
We've curated it together, and there's actually going to be some extra surprises that we're not going to share in the unboxing video because you're going to have to wait till you get the box.
It wouldn't be a surprise if we showed it now.
Yes. So you'll kind of get a sampling of what's in the box, as always, and then you'll get some extra surprises when you get the box in your mailbox. So if you want to sign up and you love what you see, then you can go to thehedgehoghollow.com/shop. You can also check out the links in the video description. There'll be Insta stories and all those kinds of things as well. It'll be on the Hedgehog Hollow blog. It'll be on Laura's blog.
And my new YouTube channel.
Yes.
Laura Kelly Design.
So you can just go and check it out everywhere, obviously, as always. So this is how your box will come. We ship them everywhere. So they're shipped out of California, despite the accent. They're not shipped out of England.
And they're shipped all over the world.
Yep, we ship them to England. We ship them to New Zealand. We send them to Dubai, Russia,
Europe,
Sweden, pretty much everywhere. I think we pretty
North
much...
Carolina. Okay, right, that's here. That's where I live.
So we send them everywhere. Okay, so inside...
Let's open it.
Every single month we have a different color of tissue paper. So we're not going to share the color theme with you. You'll have to wait to get your box to find out what the theme will be. And you will also get a postcard in the top. Again, you're not going to find out what that is until you get your box. They are all surprises. And then Laura and I will have written a note in the top with your contents and everything as well. Again, these are all surprises that you don't get to find out till you get your box. However, you will have 2 Laura Kelly Designs Me and My Inklings stamp sets that Laura has exclusively designed for the Hedgehog Hollow box. You will not get these anywhere else. So you have your base set, which Laura has here.
And they're the Me
you
and
can
My
tell
Peeps.
them
they are the Me
everything
and My
about
Peeps.
it.
And they're amazing because you can create all different kinds of groups of people. Your family, your friendships, your sorority sisters, your teacher, your babysitter, your everybody. So you can make personalized cards, tags, gifts for everybody, including the dogs, the frog, the cat, and the turtle.
And they're actually going to be slightly bigger than this. So they're going to be our regular oversized stamp sets. Laura created these for us last minute because she happened to be coming to visit us, and we wanted to film this video while she's here. So they'll be our regular...
But they are going to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, so they're going to be slightly bigger than you see here. And then you're also going to get the Christmas add-on stamp set as well.
Right.
So everything...
Which will be totally exclusive. You can't get these anywhere else. This is a one-time special thing.
We are so honored that she chose to put them in our box.
I'm so excited to do it. And it's so fun because the little Santa hat will fit on the people. And so do the reindeer antlers. And so does the snowman's hat. So you can turn your people into
your family
for Christmas wearing little hats and put a Christmas tree with them. There's also candy, Santa, reindeer, holly.
And
so fun.
You can also make a border out the candy here.
You can.
You could put the hat on the snowman. The snowman could have its own little snow dog pet.
And if you make homemade dog biscuits, you can make little dog tags wearing the Santa hat. So cute.
There you go. So everything interchanges perfectly.
Yep.
And then our regular subscribers also always get a bonus in their box.
Awesome.
So they're going to get this stencil that I designed. So they're going to get this polka dot stencil.
So cute. Goes with it.
Exactly. So you can create backgrounds and all those kinds of things. And then you're going to get pieces of Laura's paper as well. So Laura has her own range of paper. So I'm going to delve in the bottom here.
So yeah, there's 3 different cardstock, really, really nice.
They're so nice.
Made by Adorn It. And they're all 2-sided. So they have your Christmas sides of your red and your green, yellow for the star, black and white dots. But you're going to get it in time, I think, for Thanksgiving too. You could do things with these colors and with the green as well. I mean, you could create really cute little gratitude
they'll ship
notes.
November 1st if you order in time. So if you order up until November 1st, they'll ship November 1st. And then after that, they'll ship whenever you order it.
Right.
So they'll ship that way.
Right.
And then we also always include envelopes. Again, they'll be with the color theme of the box. So I've just put neutrals in because it's a surprise.
Right.
And you'll also get regular solid pieces. Again, I've just kind of hinted at the Christmas theme, but that will be included. You'll get pieces of candy too.
Because crafting with candy
always.
Always.
And then you'll get some card bases too, which are my favorite thickness. So they're super thick ones as well. They're £110. You get 6 of those included in your box. Plus, there's going to be some extra bonuses that Laura and I have put together, as I say.
Some surprises.
We're not going to share with you just yet. So they will be included in your box
and
too.
I love surprises and goodie bags and boxes.
Yeah, Laura's
and
all
like
about
this.
the goodie bag. Every time she turns up to my house, she turns up with a goodie bag, and it's always full of something fun. It might be markers, and I've had calendars, and I've had all sorts of other fun things in my goodie bag. So Laura's all about the goodie bag. So there'll be a kind of a mini goodie bag in your box as well. So really fun things going on.
So we really hope that you love these and you're as excited about them as I know I am.
Yes. And then you'll have our design team will be doing the usual daily tutorials. And I'm sure Laura's going to be stopping by with tutorials. You can go over to Laura Kelly Designs and check those out.
Right.
We'll have tutorials here at the Hedgehog Hollow. So we'll have lots of inspiration about how to use all your supplies for garlands, for gift tags. We bought some really cute little wooden gift tags last night at Joann's. I think we're going to stamp
some of those.
These things on to do like garlands and like regular gift tags.
And you might want to just like let everybody know too, if they love these little people, you can get these on checks and on stationery on checksinthemail.com and expressionary.com, and we can put that link down there.
Mum planner.
And I do a calendar, and that's on calendars.com. Mom's Busy Year, super cute.
Yes.
So they're available on other things too, and you could put some links for them.
Yeah, we can add all those in. So you can go check all of those things out. There's stationery with it on, so you can kind of customize all those things, and then do like gift baskets and customize all that kind of stuff as well.
So fun.
Possibly we might have some other add-on stamps later on the year with other themes too. So.
With some other little accessories for these guys.
Yes. So you can stay tuned for details of those too. So lots and lots of fun things coming. Be sure to go and subscribe to this box. Ring the bell. Maddie told you about that earlier.
Maddie told you about ring the bell.
And
share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends. Hit the like button. All of those fun things as well. Maybe you want to buy a subscription as a gift for someone as the holidays are coming up.
And if they want to just get this box, if this is new to them, and there are some people that follow me and are new to you, can they do that?
You can go ahead. We don't have a one-off option unless we have leftovers.
Okay.
But we have complete flexibility in the subscription. So you can buy this box and then you can cancel any time. So you can log into your account. You don't have to give us notice or anything like that. You can just go in and say, okay, just this one, thanks.
Perfect.
Or I want to try out a couple or anything you like.
I want to try it this time. And
yeah, exactly. So we give you as much
lots of
flexibility as you'd like. So you have all those
You had
options.
a hard time saying that word. Flexibility.
I did. It's getting late in the day now.
It's getting late in the day.
There you
yes.
go.
But
all right.
still super exciting.
So thank you everybody for joining us. Go subscribe, go follow us, go check out the box, go grab one. They are limited edition. Once they're gone, We'd never reproduce any of the things that are in the boxes. So you'll want to go and grab that and grab your extra goodie bags that we're going to be adding in there as well. We cannot wait to send them out. We always have so much fun curating these boxes. And Laura and I definitely had so much fun creating this one. So much fun. So we hope you enjoy using it as well. Don't forget to tag us both when you create things because we love
we want to see what
share
you make.
them and everything else.
Yes.
And we will see you again really, really soon.
Yes.
All right.
So until then, happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.